Love you guys can't see anything I'm doing. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bailey and today I'm going to be doing a Zara unboxing. Yeah, Zara had a sale last week and yeah, had to get my items together and the boxes just came. The last box from my order came this morning, so I'm just gonna try everything on for you guys and yeah, let's see if they're gonna be yeses or nos. Sometimes I love Zara, but it could be a hit or miss, so let's see. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in like 5 seconds. Okay, bye. Okay, how do we feel? This is a blazer. It's kind of funky. It's zebra. Is this zebra? Tiger? Tiger? Zebra? I don't know. Some feline animal of the wild. And yeah. I don't know if it fits though. It's kind of, I know it's long. Are these pockets fake? Come on now, Zara. Oh, I think they're just stitched together. I think I have to like snip them. Okay. But I like it. I'm like, do I have a mirror here? I kind of like it. I feel like someone's cool, like grandpa or something. But I think I'm gonna keep this. Let's see what's next. Okay, this is the lace cami. I don't know how I feel about this. It has this situation and then it's like double layered. But I think it's way too big. This is an extra small and I feel like it needs to be, I know it's supposed to droop like a cow neck, but something about it needs to be like just a bit tighter. I think it's just like too big on the sides if I'm being quite honest with you guys. But this is a really cute top. Dang it! I hate when I really want something and it doesn't fit or just doesn't work. This is cute too. It's a no for me, love. Okay, this is the next top or vest. And I love the colors, but I think it's too big. It's a medium and I would have gotten a small, but a small was sold out. So I got the medium and no, it just, I don't know how the small would have fit. I don't know. I like the concept. You know, you like the idea of something, but it in real life functioning in your life just doesn't make sense. I feel like that's what the sweater is, because in theory, online, I saw where they were going. I liked it, but I don't know. I think it's a little too big. I really do. Yeah. I think it's too big. When am I ever a medium in anything? Okay, next item. Oh, we have a set next. I try so hard. I try to see the potential in things and you know what? Zara, this is fraudulent. You know why? Because on their website, the only reason why I bought this top was because it was advertised with the same kind of orange gingham bandeau bra with it, and I was like, that is so chic. Doesn't come with it. I don't even know if they even sold it. And I look like a clementine. Oh my gosh. It's a set. This is the skirt, this is the top. And the top is way too big. Like, it's loose. Story of my life. The skirt is really cute though. It fits nice and I love a good slit. But yeah. The skirt I love actually, but I'm not gonna keep it because the whole point is to wear it together. And how many times am I gonna wear a orange gingham skirt? Probably not that many times. So yeah, both of these are a no. I look like a clementine. Like, what? To be honest, if it fit, I think I would like it more. But because it doesn't fit, it just looks dumb. on me. So yeah, okay. This is going terribly. Okay, next item. Next clothing item. Please work. I want to hurt someone because what the heck is this? What is this? This is the weirdest, like, what, Zara? Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the dress, so you can see it. You see it? I still have my spandex shorts on, so you might be able to see my spandex shorts. Do you see this dress? I have so much hope. I love like a good silky satin dress. I love like a good slip dress or just satin dress, and it feels amazing, and I love the color, but this neckline is just not it. Like, I don't hate it, but I don't love it either. Like, I don't like this too much, to be honest, but it had potential. And this actually fits, like it, ugh. Okay, anyways. I also purchased the sweater so it could go with the dress. The sweater is really pretty though, so I think, depending on, I mean, how it looks, I think I might keep the sweater. I look like somebody's grandma. Okay, so I'm gonna title this video Zara Fails, because ain't nothing work besides that blazer. Oh, and I have a pair of shoes I need to try on. But dang, are you kidding me? I look like someone's auntie or grandma, like I'm going to church. I don't like this. Okay, but anyways, let me show you. Okay, here's the look, just for, to say I did it purposes. Okay, get me out of this. Can't even keep the sweater, can't even keep the sweater. Wow, never have I ever had this kind of experience. And first, there are these little leather like sandals, really cute. I'm excited. Hopefully these work. Here are the shoes. Again, I'm strapped, so my apologies. But yeah, they're cute, they're a good heel height. And yeah, I mean, when I go back to class, I can wear them to class. Because these are the kinds of shoes I would wear to class. You know? If you're not wearing heels to class, what are you doing? You know what I mean? Like, that's a whole other topic, but I do love, I mean, granted, okay, I go to a design school, but the looks for a Monday morning at 9 a.m.? Girl, it's a fashion show. Don't play. Anyways. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna regroup over there. Almost fell. And we could talk about this. Actually, let me just close up the video. I'll do that. So I'm kind of disappointed. At least I'll be getting some money back. But yeah, I really want those things to work. So in total, I'm keeping the blazer. Yeah, the shoes I'm gonna keep. I really like the heels. Womp womp. But yeah, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.